And you would have these scenarios where different ISVs and third-party applications worked with different versions of the main software they were using, and they upgraded differently. And so it was this real juggling act going from one application, going from one version of the next in the core ERP, because you were trying to juggle the upgrade paths of all of these ISVs and third-party applications. So now, when people move to a cloud-based application, think in terms of the following. How many of your ISVs can be replaced by the software you're moving to? Sometimes that may be a key consideration between which ERP solution you pick.
Yeah.
Because solution A versus solution B may, out of the box, replace some critical functionality that you currently have ISVs for. So that's something that people don't always think